So see, check them out here. Last night something incident. Hello guys, our new car finally we brought from Chakmapara. This guy. Hello, welcome back guys. Intro थोड़ा late हो गया because I woke up late around 9 I guess, and now it's 10. So see, check them out. We are here. We are here to cut that rice, to sown that rice. We will have lunch here and go back home after we finish our work. So be with us. So see, check them out. They are cutting. They finished this place, and there it's not yet ripe. Now they are going to another spot. They finished here. Now they are going there, and there are more this way. See some of them here. Check them out. And this area belongs to my uncle, and there it is ours, and this belongs to my uncle. They are also cutting it by today. They are also finishing up by today. And there, check them out. Actually it's too hot, and the temperature was around 20 degree I guess. See, and guys, this belongs to someone, and the landlords of this land live its land as fellow land. I mean, they did not cultivate for so long anything. See, I mean, if they cultivate something, they could have get at least some plot of rice. And this whole area is ours. It's belong to ours. Before here we have some lemon trees, and now they were cut off because they are planning to plant rubber, and there it's full of lemon trees, and just top of this it is a Balmura Park. I don't know if the sun is coming or not. This dozer is disturbing a lot. See, this JCB is disturbing a lot. And there my uncle and my younger brother Ring Kim, they're washing, I mean cleaning auto. Chamber Ring Kim. So he is here. Last night something incident happened. Now he's waiting to move. I'm going to reveal that incident. So why are you here? Huh? So now we are going to spread this carpet there. Yes, Tira. Actually, we came to just help them carry the ones of rice that they got, but they have not completed yet.
Help.
They have not completed yet, so let's go and explore some place. I mean, yeah. Check this out. I'm not gonna help him. Laure, yeah. Huh?
Ini kan kamu thonga mo kapati.
The place where we cultivate our rice, I mean bagan we say in local language, and that Bomura Park is not too far. I mean it's quite near. Just to cross this that top way, and we'll reach there. So let's see. And then just here it's Bomura Eco Park. I mean Hatai Kotor, this Hatai Kotor Park. And this is second gate where you don't need to pay any.
Actually, this second gate ang mate.
Half taga. Where you don't need to pay any tax or light entry fee. You don't need to take any ticket to enter it. I mean for local like us, we just entered, you know, anytime. Check this out. No one. So they almost finished cutting. Now it's our turn to carry it. We have to carry all that bundle of rice which they cut off. Let's see. I mean, let's go. So here they almost finished this plot. Now I think they'll move to the next plot. Now I'm gonna carry all that. Let's see. After I finish carrying, I'll be returning home. I'm not staying longer here. Lazy. Now he will be also carrying the rice. This guy, see, he's working very hard for the rice. Here it will be belongs to them, and here are and he's feeling shy. Check these kids out. Saying hello guys. Sobrang tete.
Karin mong pagkapin on daw ka.
It's pretty hot, so hot. See, finish cutting, and this guy is eating food. And now I think we will harvest this. I mean, we will split this. So hot. We are inside or too. It's so hot now. We are on the way. We are on the way. We will go and get some. I mean machine for separating grains. Machine. See. Actually, we forgot to inform the owner of the machine. That's why. So now we have to go. It's too hot. Yeah. Let's go.
Hất chật bipin sa hay hất taner tan adam hay hất taner tan takar hay adam.
Now we are taking the thresher machine.
Video tothomor nak tibaka. Gimat ana mo balang ko kung kan ko. Agin jana li indro. Tingral la video.
Como cho ita video. Now we are taking the thresher machine. We almost reached.
Hello.
Too heavy.
Koy hong kalbo koy hong tungta. Kol kong.
So हम लोग thresher machine कर रहे हैं. हम जा रहे हैं इसे थ्रेसर मशीन में बैठ कर जा रहे हैं
Hello guys!
और ये पुश
Welcome back in our new jungle.
Yes, pushing
In our new forest.
at the top of the thresher machine.
So chicken, sorry ti.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Hello guys. Our new car finally we brought from Tichakmapara.
And we are separating the grains from grass. They will do, and we are going back home now. It's too hot. Lazy already. Gonna stop in the work.
Hi.
And finally they finished cutting and they are separating the grain there. And here I would end my vlog here. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Meet you all in the next video.
I 14 baht.